So good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to my channel Exam Day. Today we are going to discuss about June important question answers. For before starting, I will request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get our notification as soon as possible. So let's start, guys. So our first question is, World Milk Day is celebrated on. The options are 1st June, 3rd June, 5th June, and 4th is none of above. So I highlighted the answer, that means 1st June. For your convenience, I just highlighted the answer. So answer is A, 1st June. World Milk Day is celebrated on 1st June every year in the whole world to mark the contribution of the dairy sector to sustainability, economic development, live food and nutrition. Our next question is, International Widow Day is observed on which day in June? Options are 22nd June, 23rd June, 24th June, 25th June. The answer is B, 23rd June. International Widow Day is observed on 23rd June annually to raise awareness globally about the violation of human rights that widow suffers and faces in several countries following the death of their spouses. Next question is, Telangana Formation Day is on. Options are 2nd June, 4th June, 6th June, 8th June. The answer is A, 2nd June. Next question is, Globally Parent Day falls on which date of June? So options are 1st June, 2nd, 3rd and 4th June. The answer is 1st June. Globally Brain Tumor Day is observed on which day? The 7th June, 8th June, 9th June or 10th June. The answer is 8th June. Every year 12 June is observed as, options are World Bicycle Day, World Ocean Day, World Day Against Child Labor, World Blood Donor Day. So options में से answer is C, World Day Against Child Labor. So explanation is this: World Day Against Child Labor is launched by International Labour Organization (ILO) to focus on attention on the worldwide extent of child labor effort and the action required to eliminate it. It is observed on 12th June every year. So next question is, what is the World Blood Donor Day 2020 theme? The options are Save Blood for All, Blood Connects Us All, Save Blood, Save Lives, none of the above. The answer is C, Save Blood, Save Lives. United Nations Publicly Service Day is observed on which date in June? 20 June, 23rd June, 26th June or 28th June. The answer is 23rd June. 15 June is celebrated as World Elder Abuse Awareness Day, World Food Safety Day, World Wine Day or International Picnic Day. The answer is World Wine Day. World Sickle Cell Awareness Day is observed on 16 June, 17 June, 18 June, 19 June. The answer is 19 June. So next question is, World Music Day is celebrated on 19 June, 20 June, 21st June or none of the above. The answer is C, 21st June. 23rd June is celebrated as International Refugee Day, International Picnic Day, International Day of Innocent Children Victim of Aggression, International Olympic Day. The answer is D, International Olympic Day. 23rd June is celebrated as International Olympic Day. Asteroid Day is observed on 22nd June, 21st June, 26th June, 30th June. The answer is 30 June. Asteroid Day is observed on 30 June. What is the theme of World Environment Day 2020? Go Wild, Go Life, Biodiversity, Beat Plastic Pollution or Air Pollution. The answer is Biodiversity, B. The World Environment Day 2020 theme is Biodiversity. When is World Father's Day 2020 celebrated? The options are 14th June, 15th June, 16th June or 21st June. The answer is 21st June. World Father's Day is observed on every year on the third Sunday June to commemorate fatherhood and appreciate all fathers for their support and contribution to the societies. In 2020, World Father's Day falls on 21st June. So these are some important days in month of June. I hope you gain the knowledge from this, and I request you all to subscribe my channel, to support my channel, and do share with your friends, and please press the bell icon so you can get notification from our channel if we posted any video. So these are some important days of June. So thanks to all of you to watching my video. Thanks.